HL Geospatial are excited to present the newly released Trimble SX12 scanning total station featuring a bright focusable green laser and an advanced camera system that collects high-quality colorized point clouds that are unrivaled in quality and accuracy and easily imported via Trimble Business Center. Green lasers are preferred by builders and tradesmen, so Trimble have decided to follow user preference and boost it even further by making it auto-focusing. The laser dot remains sharp and bright at distance, and the iteration speed of the SX12 in auto stakeout is the fastest of any underground instrument I've used yet. I've actually had to increase the iterations to keep up with the instrument while doing auto stakeout.
Oh, we need to mark up for that markup that the engineers asked for. Nice and quick, nice and easy.
To learn more about the SX12 underground with the green laser, contact Dustin at hlgs.com.au or sales@hlgs.com.au.